JavaScript, addEventListener. The addEventList is a JavaScript method that allows a certain tag to receive an event. The event gives every tag the capability to interact with the user. Some common events include click, key up, key down, key press, mouse over, mouse down, and resize. When an event is triggered, it executes or calls a function to perform some task. Go to www.scripTower.com and use the demo. Use examples in the menu, examples JavaScript. This code can be placed into the editor. Select a position and then click the code name. Click Save. There are a few ways to use the addEventListener method. One way is to use the addEventListener as a function. Here a click event is attached to the button by using the addEventListener. So here we have our addEventListener, our ID, and our function. So when this is clicked, it will place I've been clicked right here. Another way is to call a function. Here we have an addEventListener that is added to the button, but instead of using it as a function is called. Here we have our addEventListener, again our ID for the button. And right here we're going to call first one function. So when it is clicked, this function will be called and it will perform the code inside, which is I've been clicked also. Adding the addEventListener method to multiple tags. By using a for loop and the addEventListener method, multiple tags can have an event handler attached to them. So instead of writing a function for each tag, the for loop is used. Here's our for loop. The variable len represents the number of list tags. The variable t represents the index value of each list tag. So we have 0, 1, 2. So now each list tag has an event handler attached to it. So in order to interact with a tag, an addEventListener method is needed. This then executes a function that performs some type of task. The addEventListener method can be used as a function or to call a function. Use a for loop to attach the addEventListener method to multiple tags.